What is the capital of Japan? A. Beijing. B. Tokyo. C. Seoul, Bangkok. Answer B. Tokyo. What gas is used to extinguish fires? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Hydrogen. Answer C. Carbon dioxide. What animal is the national symbol of Australia? A kangaroo. B. Koala. C. Emu. D. Crocodile. Answer: a kangaroo. Which of the following planets is not a gas giant? A Mars. B. Jupiter. C. Saturn. D. Uranus. Answer: a Mars. What is the name of the process by which plants convert sunlight into energy? A. Respiration. B. Photosynthesis. C. Oxidation. D. Evolution. Answer: B. Photosynthesis. What chemical element is designated as Hg? A. Silver. B. Tin. C. Copper. D. Mercury. Answer: D. Mercury. In what year was the first International Modern Olympiad held? A. 1896. B. 1900. C. 1912. D. 1924. Answer: A. 1896. For which of these disciplines Nobel Prize is awarded? A. Physics, chemistry. B. Physiology. C. Medicine. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above.